Some animals have powers, real powers. Not like the heroes in comic books. These animals do not wear capes or masks. Oceans, lakes, forests. Their powers help them find food, they help them hide from danger, they help them survive in a big, busy world. You might not see these powers at first, you have to look closely. Their abilities are often stranger and more amazing than anything we can imagine. These are not stories. They are facts about the incredible creatures living all around us. We're going to meet 3 of these animal superheroes. One makes a sound so loud it can stun other fish. Another can heal itself in a way that seems like magic. The last one can become nearly invisible right before your eyes. Each one has a special trick. It is a superpower gifted by nature. These animals show us that the world is full of surprises. Get ready to discover some of nature's best-kept secrets. The things they can do will make you see the animal kingdom in a brand new light. Our journey begins under the sea. Let's dive in and meet our first superpowered animal, a master of sound and fury. Our first hero is the pistol shrimp. It is a small crustacean. It is often only 1 or 2 inches long. Pistol shrimp live in shallow ocean waters around the world. They build burrows in the sand or live in the crevices of coral reefs. They look like tiny, colorful lobsters. They come in bright reds, blues, and oranges. One of their claws is much bigger than the other. This giant claw is not for pinching. It is a weapon, a very loud weapon. The pistol shrimp's superpower is its claw. It can snap it shut incredibly fast. So fast it is one of the quickest movements in the animal kingdom. When the claw snaps, it shoots out a powerful jet of water. But that is not the real power. The speed of the water creates a tiny empty bubble. This is called a cavitation bubble. The bubble exists for only a moment. Then it collapses. The collapse is what makes the magic happen. It creates a shock wave. That tiny bubble makes a huge noise. The sound can reach 220 decibels. That is louder than a rock concert, louder than a jet engine. It is one of the loudest sounds in the entire ocean. The sound is so powerful it can stun or even kill a small fish nearby. This is how the pistol shrimp hunts. It points its claw, snaps it shut, and stuns its prey with the sonic boom. Then it can easily grab its meal. The shrimp literally shoots its food. The collapsing bubble also creates something else. It creates intense heat. For a split second, the temperature inside the bubble reaches over 8,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That is almost as hot as the surface of the sun. The flash of light and heat is gone in an instant, but it is an incredible display of power from such a small creature. The pistol shrimp is a true underwater hunter. It uses the power of physics to catch its dinner every single day. Next we leave the ocean. We travel to the cool waters of Mexico. Here lives our second hero, the axolotl. The axolotl is a type of salamander. It is often called the walking fish, but it is an amphibian. It has a long body. It has a fin on its back. It has feathery gills that branch out from its head like a fluffy mane. Axolotls spend their entire lives underwater. They never grow up in the same way other salamanders do. They stay in their juvenile form forever. That's why they always look like they are smiling. The axolotl's superpower is regeneration. That means regrowing lost body parts. If an axolotl loses a leg, it does not just heal. It grows a brand new one. The new leg is perfect. It has bones, it has muscles, it has skin, it has nerves. It works just as well as the old one. This is not like a lizard regrowing its tail. The axolotl can do so much more. It is the champion of healing in the animal kingdom. What can it regrow? Almost anything. It can regrow legs, it can regrow arms, it can regrow its tail, it can regrow its toes. But it gets even more amazing. It can regrow parts of its spinal cord if injured. It can even regrow parts of its brain. If a piece of its brain is damaged or removed, the axolotl can grow it back and suffer no lasting effects. It is like a perfect repair kit inside its own body. This power makes the axolotl very special to scientists. They study it to understand how it can heal so perfectly. The axolotl never forms a scar, it just makes new, flawless tissue. Scientists hope that by learning the axolotl's secrets they might one day help people heal better from injuries. This smiling creature from a single lake in Mexico holds clues that could change medicine forever. It is a real-life superhero of survival and recovery. So, our final hero lives high in the trees of the rainforest. Meet the glass frog. These small, delicate frogs are found in Central South America. They're usually a bright lime green color. During the day, they sleep on the undersides of leaves, often high above the forest floor. They're nocturnal, which means they're most active at night. At first glance, they look like many other tree frogs. But if you look at one from below, you'll see its incredible secret. The glass frog's superpower is its see-through skin. The skin on its belly is translucent. This means you can look right through it. You can see the frog's internal organs. You can see its little heart beating. You can see its blood vessels. You can see its liver. You can see its digestive system. It's kind of like having X-ray vision without the machine. The frog's bones are visible right through its skin. The frog's muscles are visible right through its skin. This transparency is a form of camouflage. When the glass frog sleeps on a leaf, its see-through skin helps it blend in. The green color of its back matches the leaf. Its transparent belly helps to break up its outline, making it much harder for predators to spot it from below. Snakes, birds. But the glass frog has another trick. When it sleeps, it becomes even more transparent. It found a way to become a master of disguise. Scientists recently discovered how it does this. When the glass frog goes to sleep, it hides almost all of its red blood cells. It packs them away into its liver, which has a reflective surface. By removing the red cells from its blood vessels, the frog becomes 2 to 3 times more transparent. It's the only known vertebrate that can do this. When it wakes up, it releases the cells back into its bloodstream and is ready for action. The glass frog is a living, breathing magic trick. A sonic boom from a tiny claw, a body that can rebuild itself from almost any injury, skin so clear you can see a beating heart. The pistol shrimp, the axolotl, and the glass frog are not from a fantasy world, they're real. They live on our planet. They show us that nature is more creative and more surprising than we can ever guess. Each one has a unique power that helps it survive in its own special way, turning the ordinary rules of life completely upside down. From the loud snap of the pistol shrimp to the quiet healing of the axolotl and the silent disappearance of the glass frog, these animals are masters of their environment. They've adapted in ways that seem impossible. One uses sound and heat, another uses biology and cells, the last one uses light and camouflage. They're completely different from one another, living in different parts of the world, yet they all share one thing, an ability that sparks our curiosity and wonder. These are just 3 examples. The animal kingdom is filled with countless other creatures with amazing powers. The next time you're outside, look closely. The world is full of hidden superheroes. They may not wear capes, but they have powers that are just as amazing.